So welcome back guys, and I am picking up the video from the last screen only or the last slide only because we have not completed the get window handle, get window handles and switch to method. Okay, I have not explained you these methods, right? So let us see what get window handles does for us. Okay, so it returns an opaque handle to the current open window and helps to uniquely identify it within the current driver instance. So what does this line mean is that whenever you open a particular window via your script, then this particular method get window handle will return you id kind of a handle or id kind of string to you, which you can use in order to perform operation over that particular window. Okay, for example, switching between windows. Okay, I'll tell you what does this mean. Okay, and when you open two windows in your script, then get window handle returns handles or unique ids for all the open windows. Okay, for all the open windows, right? So first let us see what does these methods mean in the real life scenario. So let us move to the home page of or the salesforce.com, developer.salesforce.com, start my free trial page. Okay, so this is a web page, and whenever I'll click over the this blue icon of Salesforce, then you can see a new tab is opening, right? So now first let me move to the script and show you get window handle, right? So first let me explain you what I have done over here. Okay, so first we have invoked the Chrome browser by these two lines. This is a very basic script. I hope you know about this. And then we need to navigate to the salesforce.com, start my free trial page. So I am removing this and we are using the driver.get. Okay, so opening the Chrome browser and then copying the URL for the particular web page and pasting it over here, and then we are maximizing the window. Right now we need to right here driver.get window handle. Okay, get window handle. So what this method does is it will provide a unique id for the open window, right? So let me hover over my mouse over here. You can see here that it returns a string. Okay, so let us now create a string type of a variable. For example, window handle, or let me write it as wh. Okay, and equate it, right? So wh will store the window handle for this particular window which will open. Okay, or the tab, in the daily language we call it a tab. Okay, Chrome tab, you can relate, right? So let me write here system dot out and then dot println, and then I'll write here control v, oh sorry, wh. Let me copy this, control c and control v. Yeah, so this will print our window handle. Okay, so let me first run this and show you what does window handle looks like. So I have to save the script and run the script. Okay, it is running the script, and yeah, Chrome driver is opening. Chrome driver opened. Salesforce.com, start my free trial page opened. It will maximize this particular page. Okay, it is taking a little bit of time to load. Okay, it maximized, and then okay, yeah. So minimizing the Chrome browser, we can see here something is printed over our console, and this is nothing but the window handle for our opened window. Okay, right? So this is what a window handle looks like. Okay, so this is a string, a unique id which you can use uniquely in order to perform operations, switching operations. Basically I will tell you what is switching operations, right? So now let us come over to the window handles. Okay, let me clear out the console and show you one concept, right? So I told you that over this particular web page, if you will click over the Salesforce, this particular blue cloud or the icon, then secondary tab will open of some other thing, right? So What does this mean? What do we call this particular page which has opened later on by clicking over this particular icon? This is a child window. Okay, this is a child window. And what was the parent window? This was the parent window, right? This was the parent window, and this is the child window. Okay, so in order to switch between the parent and child window, we use the method SwitchTo. Okay, and SwitchTo method uses the window handles in order to switch between the parents. Okay, you will get it exactly, you will get it. Please have patience. Okay, so now let me get window handles for both of these windows. Okay, so in order to get window handles for both of these windows, you need to write here, then I need to click over that blue icon first, right? So okay, what I need to do is to driver dot find element, and then by basically I'm locating that blue icon. Okay, if you're confused, let me tell you, I'm locating this particular blue icon. So let me inspect it. Let me copy the x path from here by x path. Okay, by dot x path, and I'm pasting the x path. Yeah, okay, and we have to click, right? So dot click. Okay, so it will click over that particular uh, uh, you know that particular blue icon, right? And then again we will write driver dot get window handles this time, because we have two open tabs. Okay, we have two open windows, right? So again, if we hover our mouse over the get window handles, we will get the return type is a set of a string, because we will get many strings, not many, two strings, right? The window handles for the parent and the child window, right? So we will get a set of strings. So we have to use a set of string as a return type, set, and then string, and then we need to create a variable such as window handles WHS. Okay, and we need to okay, set is capital, right? Set of strings. You have to be very careful in all these things. S is capital, right? So we need to import the set from java.util. Okay, so I have imported. So now let us type system dot out dot print ln, and then we need to print WHS, right? WHS. Okay, so we printed the window handles, right? Now let me type here driver dot quit, so that our browser quits itself completely, all the tabs, right? So I have saved my script, and we will be getting two window handles right now. Okay, so let me run the script. Hopefully it will run. Okay, it is running, and it will open the Chrome browser and the salesforce.com start my free trial page, and after loading it will maximize, right? So it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, it maximized, it clicked on the blue icon, and okay, this particular web page opened, and after getting the window handles and printing over the console, it closed. Okay, it quits the whole browser, Chrome browser. So you can see here, first it went to the salesforce.com start my free trial page, it maximized, it got the window handle of the first salesforce.com start my free trial page. In the wh variable, it printed the wh variable, where here. Okay, and then it opened the second window, that was after clicking over that blue icon in the cloud, blue icon, right, which was named as Salesforce, and then it clicked over it, and then it got the window handles for both the both the tabs open. Okay, the parent and the child, and then it printed the both the window handles. So you can see here both the window handles have been printed. Okay, both the window handles have been printed. You can see this particular window handle was for the parent tab. Okay, the parent tab was salesforce.com start my free trial page. Again, this particular window is for the parent tab. Okay, so these are same. Okay, why these are same? Because these are for the parent tab only. This is for the child tab. What is the child tab? After clicking over the cloud which was named as Salesforce, this particular cloud, the window that opened, this particular, okay, I'm talking about that particular window. Okay, so this is the particular ID or the window handle for this particular page. Okay, this one, the child one. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the window handle and window handles. Okay, we will see the SwitchTo method later on in other videos. SwitchTo method is basically giving the control of the driver to the parent window back again. Okay. For example, what I'm saying, let me make you clear. When the child window opens, the control of the driver is over this particular window. Okay, so you cannot perform any operation over this particular window. So in order to give control to the driver of this particular window, you need switch to. Okay, so we will see this in some other video. So till then, you keep revising the get window handle and get window handles and all the previous methods I have taught you, because these are very important in order to work with the Selenium WebDriver. So we will be looking switch to in some other video, because it requires some other concepts to be taught, and the video will be very long. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching and keep revising. Okay, thank you.